In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage in MetaTrader 5. Even though the actual change of leverage is handled by your broker, MetaTrader 5 lets you quickly check what your current leverage is so you know exactly what you're working with before placing trades. Let's start inside the MetaTrader 5 platform on your computer. First, look at the top of the screen for the main menu bar. There you'll see an option labeled Tools. Click on Tools, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Options. This will open a new window with several tabs across the top. In this Options window, click on the tab called Trade. This is where MetaTrader groups together settings that relate directly to your trading activity and your account. Within this Trade tab, look for a section labeled Account. Here, MetaTrader displays important details about the trading account you're currently logged into, and among those details you'll find your leverage. You'll see it shown as a ratio, for example something like 130, 100, or 1,500, depending on what has been configured by your broker. This number tells you how much larger your effective position size can be compared to your actual account balance. It's really important to understand that a higher leverage ratio means you can control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital, but it also means your risk increases significantly. So, before you decide you want a different leverage level, make sure you're comfortable with the potential impact on both profits and losses. There's also another way to view the same account information from within MetaTrader 5. If you prefer working from the lower part of the platform, you can open the terminal window. To do this, you can either press the shortcut key for the terminal or look for the terminal option in the View menu. Once the terminal is open, click on the Trade tab at the bottom. In this area, you'll see an overview of your open positions and account status. From here, look for a section or small panel called Account Details. When you open Account Details, MetaTrader will again show you the key information about your current trading account, including your existing leverage setting. Just like before, it will appear as a ratio. At this point, you now know exactly where to go in MetaTrader 5 to check your leverage. Remember, any actual change to that leverage ratio has to be requested or adjusted through your broker's client portal or support team. But MetaTrader 5 is the place where you verify what leverage is